Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and get into this brow routine. I'm currently working on another video, which you should see before this brow tutorial video. And I'm just letting my concealer sit. I like to let my concealer sit. So this is actually a new technique for me for my brows. As you can see, I don't have a lot of brows. They're pretty sparse. But what I've been doing is using this brown liquid liner by Wet n Wild. It is waterproof. There you go. That says a lot. However, this is really dark. I'm not going to use it over my entire brow, but just the outline of my brow. So just underneath. And I want to make sure my brush is really flat. So I kind of like to start where my pupil is, not in the front, but like about right here, and completely take that through my brow because I want a high arch. I've been loving a really high arch, so as you can see, this is pretty high. You can still see the sparse hairs through there, but I've been loving a really high arch. Okay, that looks good. So then what I'll do next is go into my, which I did depot, it's just in an e.l.f. container. But this is my NYX brow gel, and I'm just going to use what's in the top there, not even all that. And I'm going to carve out the top of my brow. And then just kind of fill that in. Same thing with the other side. Okay, and then I just like to pull that product forward. This is how I get the fade in the front of my brow. It's brushing this way, the opposite way. So I can get a nice fade, and then I'm gonna brush that up. Same thing on this side. Brush that up. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my brows. I'm just using a cream concealer to do this. So for me, that dark line down there just really gives a nice outline for the brow. And whatever I clean my brows up with, I'll just pull that down as a base for my eyeshadow. And as far as my brows, it really depends. I do them a different ways. This is just one way I do them. To get a higher arch, you know, depends on the look you're doing. You can create a higher arch to get more, you know, lid space or crease space. But yeah, I just kind of wanted more of a dramatic brow today. And then, all right, so then after I clean up my brows, I will go in with this Wet n Wild Brow Excessive Brow Shaping Gel. This product is okay. I generally like a lighter color. This color is, it's okay. It's like a light brown color. Okay, you can see a little bit of difference there, not much. I generally like a bigger difference than that, but this is what we have now, so I'm just gonna use this. If you don't like colored brow, not that this is much color, but you can always use a clear brow gel as well. I'm gonna finish my makeup and then I'll be back. All right, so I am back. These are my brows. Again, generally I like, let me see if I can find it. It's kind of beat up, but generally I like a lighter brow, and this is what I usually use, but it's like down to the bare minimum. Let me see if I can scrape something out of there so you guys can see the difference. Let's see here. It's kind of dry out. You can kind of see a little bit of a difference, not much. So I'm actually on the hunt for like the perfect color that I want. But those did brighten a little bit, and I remember when I was working at MAC, we were always told that your brows were supposed to be lighter than your hair. Well, you know, I'm salt and pepper, so that would be interesting to have like gray, like salt and pepper brows, right? All right, guys, so these are my brows, my new updated 2023 brow routine. If you guys have any questions or concerns or anything, drop that down below. And yeah, let me know, what products do you use to do your brows? Yeah, so drop that down below. So if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at TikTok at LRH Makeup, and my second handle on TikTok, which is _beauty_over40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on post notifications, that way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until next time, remember, the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.